The unboxing event for the Galaxy S24 series is coming up in less than a month. The main sensor is getting a change, which is the most important news. The Galaxy S24 Ultra might take shots with 24 megapixels by default, up from 12 megapixels on the last generation. You will get twice as much sharpness without any loss in HDR quality. This is the most important change Apple made to the iPhone 15 Pro series, and it looks like Samsung is about to do the same. If you want to watch 8K videos on your phone, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the best choice right now. Today, the new 5x50 megapixel sensor lets you take 8K movies at 5 times the normal resolution. The main sensor can still record 8K videos at 30 frames per second. The 5x zoom camera in this phone will be the first high-end phone to shoot 8K video. Soon, this 5x zoom camera will also be able to take portrait zoom photos. This means that you can now take photos in portrait mode at 1x, 2x, 3x, and 5x scales. And now that it's been said that this 5x zoom will have better stabilization, you will be able to make movies that play more smoothly and get better photos in low light or night mode. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is said to be the first phone to use the new Corning Gorilla Glass armor, which makes the phone 56% more durable than the last generation's metal frame. Samsung is, in fact, working on making the Galaxy that can't be broken. The S24 Ultra is getting stronger, yes. Now, there can't be a Galaxy S24 movie without talking about AI. Every day, a lot of functions are leaked. We now know that the S24 series will have an AI-powered gallery that is very smart. One of the coolest new things about the Clever Gallery is that you can make the background of your subject look better. A good example is if you take a picture of someone in front of a building or tree and don't like how the background looks behind them. You can use AI to change the background to how you want it, and I'm sure you can do the same thing with the person. The Galaxy S24 series will also come with its own AI chatbot. Give AI any topic, like love, and it can write an article about it, and also summarize the main points. This is one of the coolest things you can do. Last but not least, the S24 Ultra single-shot mode can now shoot up to 10x zoom. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.